It's been freezing here for a while, and I guess my pond is the only thing around that's not frozen for the birds to get a drink because it's so cute. They're all sharing and getting their drinks, taking turns, and they're coming from, there's all different kinds. I've seen cardinals and blue jays, and of course the blue jay is alone right now because they don't really like to get too close to him. Okay, he's gone. There's a cardinal and a dove. So cute. I'm so happy to know that my pond is giving them some water when they need it.